What's up, everybody? Today we're going to level out a OAS system, and it's not as doesn't mean obstacle avoidance system like DJI or everybody else. This is operator assistance system. Gotta change the wording, but basically, as you're driving, if it senses an obstacle in front of you, within like 10-15 feet, it'll start to slow you down. And it uses LiDAR, style radar. And this one is having a complaint for starts and stops and surges, which usually means the sensor's out of calibration. This being the sensor. It's literally called a SICK sensor. It does LiDAR. There's a little spinny thing in there that just spins it around. And to level it, we have what are our little SICK towers. Sorry, that light's bright as shit. So we got this little calibration tower. You turn it on. And now you got all these blue lights. That's your level light. And this is where you mechanically set whatever level you're going for. And there's 3 of them. This one's already set out. As you can see, this one is here. And it is high, like I would like to be. Now we got the one out front. So the lasers turn off, the lights turn off because I'm stepping in front of it. But that one's also up high. And we got this one. Let's see. So it's out there. You want to be about 90 degrees, 15 to 20 feet if possible. As I set it down, you can see. And that one is a little low. So this whole sensor, you can see you have 1, 2, 3 axis adjustment. And if you look, the sensor's also dirty. So you just walk over here, find the lens light. Oh yes, kicking the llama's ass. Alright, go ahead and wipe this off. Since we are in an industrial environment, you do get metallic dust, especially from the chains and rollers. So dust can cause a problem with this and actually make it see an object directly in front of it sometimes. So, let's see what we can do here. So I'll point you kind of like that. You kind of see the sensor. Can I zoom? Can I focus there? Aim up a little bit. Focus right there. Zoom in a pinch. Aim up a little bit more. Alright, let's see if we can get that thing happier. And you just do one at a time, and then you usually got to go back because when you adjust one, it fucks the other one up. Right, so there's 2 screws on this side, so I'm going to tighten both of them down. One of them is actually pretty loose, and they're just held in place by spring tension. And that's actually right in the middle. And let's see, over here, that's like a pinch, just a pinchy pinch high. And then way over there, still really high. Let's see what we can do with that. I'm going to take the two front ones down equally. Hopefully that'll sort. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Moving right along. Now, that one's pretty good. The one over there is pretty good. Alright. So now, let's see, where are we at now? You're looking at me. So now that has been leveled, and we have right there. Right there. Right there. And that's a Brandon. We're working on that. There's really no way to calibrate one of those. Alright. Now this is the slightly too small case that I bought for them that they kind of fit in. Yeah. So that's how you level an OAS system. Exciting shit. Can't wait till I get some like good hardcore repairs in here, so I can show you stuff that isn't just derpy maintenance. Alright, well, have fun. Talk to y'all Saturday, I'm sure. See you.